Hi, my name is Leon D. Fabian and I am 19 years old. I'm born in Santo Tomas, Batangas, but I live here in Lipa City to continue my studying with supporting officer as student leadership. Now, I just want to say that I have many talents, not just the only one. Last time, sumali ako sa palaro ni Mayor na chess. Then this entrance, I joined sa volleyball, but we failed to win because laro na, nilaro pa. Ganun sila kalupit. The sport that I can play is volleyball, basketball, badminton, tennis, chess, tumakbo, nakikain ako, bike. I can also do soccer. Ang favorite food ko naman is kung ano yung nakahain, ayun na yun. Then, my favorite pets is dog. Ang lahing gusto ko ay pitbull, canine, tsaka American Bull Piggy.
What?
And my favorite color is pink with black and blue. Ako ay pangatlo sa bunsong magkakapatid. And lahat kayong magkakapatid ay 10. But my parents die. Magkasunod lang silang dalawa. I was 5 years old na matay sila. And that's all. Thank you for listening and watching.